guys, welcome back to our channel Dressed in Black for episode 3 of Operation Imitation. This is my mom, Robin.
Hi.
And yeah, so we're here to just pick another category. If you guys know how it works, you know that we make a look for $40 or less. And we choose categories. The categories are casual, special occasion, film and TV, avant-garde, party wear, and dealer's choice. Yeah. So we're not gonna choose the last two we did just to keep it fresh.
Alright, here we go. Okay, so I've chosen party wear.
Cool. So she picked party wear, and the subcategories for that are holiday, like historic or famous clubs, awards after party, or festivals. And then it'll be another category specifically for whatever she chooses to make it a little easier to pick. So I'll put those into the hat.
Awards after party. Don't know if you can see it, but
okay.
Yep, that's what we have.
All right, and then those categories will be Grammy, Met Gala, or the VMAs.
Grammy.
Okay, Grammy Award after party. Okay.
Yeah.
We just went to billboard.com. Yeah, that's a lot. This is interesting. I'm not putting down nobody's personal style, even though it remind me of Missy Elliott.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Nice colors.
Who's this? Like that.
That's nice.
That's cute.
Casual, but cute.
No, I really, really like that. Oh, black people. Oh, I love that. Not him. I like I don't know what he wearing, but I love that. Who is that? Jessie J. Oh, okay. I don't see her that often. I'm not hating it. I think that might be the look. Yeah.
Pinstripe.
What do you think? Like a oversized pinstripe with a little sparkly bra and the sparkly shoes. And I had some and I gave them away.
Let's keep that as definitely a possibility.
Alright, you guys, our first stop is Goodwill. I'm pretty sure they have men's suits or something, or even like a woman's suit. I'm not against buying something black and then just putting the lines on myself. I don't know, that might be kind of ratchet, but I don't really care. So we just left one Goodwill. We're gonna check another one right now, but I'm gonna hold on to those pants. They were only $5.82, which is awesome. Tap dancing shoes.
That's what they look like.
But you can't see her heels. You just see.
Oh, there you go.
Aren't these snazzy? Yep. think these are. These would be perfect if they were silver. Cause it's the right, you know what? Hold on. Cause these have the same point.
Is it your size?
And they damn near the same price. They only $1 more. And then what I can do, cause I gotta get the silver glitter anyway, is go over this with the silver glitter.
Silver glitter paint?
Cause I'm gonna need it to do the bra. Cause they gotta be the same.
So they have paint that you can just paint over?
Well, you just glue and then put the glitter on top. So day 2, we at Michael's. I need to get some silver, what is it? Glitter.
Yeah.
For those shoes. So you guys, I'm back home. It's technically the next day. So I'm about to sprinkle glitter on these shoes. They're already sparkly, but they're the wrong color, so we'll see how that go. And I have an old bra that I'm just going to use. I hope red is going to be an easy color to cover, but I don't think it is. And I hope I got enough glitter, but we'll see. Just a quick update. I'm not gonna do the pants because they're not like slouchy and big enough, so it's not gonna get that same effect. So what I'm gonna do is cut them down into shorts. So second update, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and ditch the bra. Like, it's not coming together the way I need it to, and at this point the glitter is like sticking to everything except the bra. Like, this is like 3 bottles and it's still not trying to stick. Like, it looks kind of okay, but the red keeps poking through. I'm over it. Like, it's glitter everywhere. So I'm gonna try to find a bra super duper cheap, because I got like what, $8 left or something like that. If I can't, then I'll go back to this, but I'm gonna have to figure something out, or like a sparkly top or some type of substitution, because at this point I don't want to work with glitter no more if I don't have to. I'm trying to look on Amazon to see if I can find a sparkly bra for $6.61. I'm in desperation mode right now. If not, I'm gonna just go to like Rainbow or something and see
if I can find something close, because this glitter thing is not working.
My mom found this fabric for $7, I think, and I got like $6 left to work with, so this might work. Yay, mommy.
So obviously, you guys, I'm no professional makeup or hair artist. Yeah, it's just all in good fun. This is just basically, I wanted to show a little bit of like how I do my makeup. I can't give you like any pointers or any tips because I need them my damn self. Yeah, this is just, you know, a little bit of the behind the scenes process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here's the final look, you guys. The breakdown specifically for each piece is I spent $5.82 at Goodwill for the pants. I spent $5.06 at Michael's for 2 tubes of glitter. I had to go back twice. At Savers, I spent $23.93 on the shoes and the blazer. For the silver fabric to go over the bra, that was $4.24. And that brings it to $39.05. I just made my budget. Obviously, there's some, you know, little hiccups. It's not tailored perfectly the way I would like it, but I mean, it was $39. You can't beat that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment below for any categories or any looks you want us to recreate. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.